I'm heading 235 Malaysian 409. 3500 Malaysian 409. Heading 190, heading 190, clear Airlines 14 left Malaysian 409.
Ignition set 1915, we just traffic alert because no RA and establish on localizer.
For arrival, Cathay 723 descending at altitude 6,500 feet. Descend altitude 6,500 feet and cancel the start direct man on Cathay 723.
Emirates 408 for station 4. Yes, 1 contact tower 118 definitely.
Region 1, bye-bye.
Bye.
Region 1 approaching 8,000.
Region 789 descend 7,000.
7,000 measures remain fine.
Malaysian 1 approaching 8,000.
Malaysian 1 descend to 7,000.
Descend 7,000, Malaysian 1. Local control director, Malaysian 1, reducing speed to 250 knots.
Malaysian 1 approved.
Thank you.
Malaysian 1 cancel, start direct to Mana and descend to 5,000.
This is start direct Mana, descend 5,000 feet, Malaysian 1.
Malaysian 1, you may reduce it to 0 knots.
Reduce to 209, Malaysian 1. Descend 1, localizer 1314.
Malaysian 1, Tower 118,
Tower 118, Malaysian 1, Southwest.